representative of Al Muslim University for Pemilihan Mahasiswa Berprestasi 2018. In this occasion, I would like to explain about idea, the solution about my article. In here, I am talking about 21st century of education. Together, education is more important to our life. Why? Because education to increase ability, a social economic characteristic, and life skill in society. Okay, but in the reality, so many problems is about have in education. One of the problems about education, firstly, about characters. Many students have low characters from the low area until the high area. What's happened? Because teacher unprofessional to teach something. And the next problem is about unprofessional teachers. Teacher have be increased ability to teach something, don't able to give some material but give motivate to other student. And then about facility. Facility, we know together facility in here is not remote area about the high area and the low area. What happened about this? Because government should be pay attention about these problems. Okay, because a lot of bad consequences for this problem, we must know what should we know and we make together. Firstly, attention about governments and then teacher and then parents, and the last we are together pay attention about education in around us. Thank you.